Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing the basic lines, shapes we can draw using Librecad. Shapes like a triangle and how to hatch an area, how to take the dimensions of the area. All these things we will see today. To draw any shapes, we need some basic lines. That is, you have present here. That is, you can see this point lines, angle, horizontal, vertical, all these are there. So 2 points means a line in which 2 points can be manipulated. That is, this is a line like this. So see, both points you can manipulate. Okay, and angle means an angled line in which you can use it to draw an angle. Like when you click on that, it can show the angle, length of the angle. It's a length, the inclined lines can be seen. So as soon as I say change the angle also changes. So like this 50 changes like this. Then you have the vertical line like this and the horizontal line like this. So I will try to draw a triangle using a 2-point line. So click on the 2-point line. So the command line asks for the first point. So click on this and give the origin 0, 0, that is xy coordinate, hit enter. Now the first point of the 2-point line is fixed on the origin, and I need the triangle to be drawn, so I need a linear line. So I will put it like of 10 dimension, that means 10 meter I require dimension. So it's like this. This is a point in which x and y are both 10 in value. So I got a linear line. I need to draw the line down, so it becomes 10, 0. Then I will cross the triangle with an origin 0, 0. So it became, and right click, it becomes inactive. So you got a triangle. Now I will show how to take the dimension of this line and some details that you should be careful about while drawing any diagrams, like in the drawing preferences. So let me take the dimensions using the dimension tool. Click on this, and for an inclined line I can use the aligned one. So click on the area. See why this is getting snapped, because snapped to the point where I wanted to be snapped, because I have put it like end, snap to end, because the two ends of the line will be snapped. See, so you don't want to put too much effort to snap the lines onto the point, and there are middle points, snap to, center are there. So now as of now we require only the snap to the end point. So click on this and draw the line to the other end. Click on that. So you got 14.14 as a hypotenuse of this triangle, and you have that vertical and horizontal lines, the triangle. So we wanted to know whether it's the same. So I will take the vertical, click on this, click on that, and I got 10. And here also again click on this and I got, sorry, I will take horizontal, click on this, click on that, and I will take 10. Yeah, now I got the 3 dimensions, but I will show certain differences if the drawing preferences are not clear. That means I have input here 10, 10, and I am getting a result of 10, 10 here also. But if the drawing preferences is different, that means go to the drawing preferences and see here, if the scale, if the length factor is, I have put like 5, and click OK, you can see it becomes 50, because the dimension automatically changes, same length, but the dimension is 50, because the scale I have made it like 50. Okay, so that we should be careful about while making a drawing, use settings in the drawing. And another thing is that the size of the text which is there. So click on this, and the size of the text we can arrange it here. You can see the text height 1 meter I have given, so you can put like 0.5, size becomes down, okay, like this. So such details are very important while you print the drawing outside. Now we will see how to hatch this particular diagram. So hatch means this is a hatch tool. So in order to hatch, you first select the diagram, click on it, it will go to lines, separate lines, and click on the hatch. So it asks for a type of fill. Different types of fills are there, you can select any. I will use solid fill and click OK. But you are not getting any changes in this, but in this diagram. But if whether you want to check whether it is hatched or not, you should go to the file and take a print preview. You can see it is hatched. Okay, this is the preview of the diagram, and while you print it, it becomes hatched. Now the hatcher is also shown, but there is one problem in this. If there is any gap in the drawing, then the hatch will not happen. Then you will get a command like this also. So I will take an example. Click on this area, and I will delete, and I will try to hatch in between these lines. But see, first I will select these two lines, and I will try to hatch. Hit enter, click OK. But you can see the message hatch failed due to the gap between 10. That means in between these 2 points a line is missing, and it is not a closed surface, so the hatch will not happen. Okay, so now we have seen how to take the dimensions. Now we have seen how to draw a triangle shapes, and we have also seen how to hatch an area. Okay, thank you.